Yes, today have a good day to guide your meditation. What the result today?
I felt very relaxed. I've never done it like in that much time and having so clear steps. I think that was very nice.
Yes,
The bright object, I really liked it because you can only focus on that.
yes, yes.
And also the expanding, like you feel it in your body. It was
Oh,
very, yeah.
oh, great. Good. Have a good day.
Thank you.
And you can focus on the mantra and the sound of echo from your body.
Yeah, that was really nice.
Yes, you can practice in every day. Maybe early morning, 10 minutes. After your lunch time, before going work, before going to study, and before you sleeping, maybe 10 times in each session. Totally one day, 30 minutes. Yes, you can practice more. And may I can get your WhatsApp for after that I will give you a picture in the old day.
Sure.
And if you have some obstacles, it's that your meditation, this you can ask me by
Yeah.
WhatsApp,
Yeah.
and I will tell you about the temple, Dhammakaya Temple Berlin. Around not from about 1 hour.
Okay. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice.